Hey, Growmies, you know our strawberry cheesecake auto flower is ready to be dry and hung. And typically, I don't hang dry my plants during the summertime because it's just too hot in my garage, and usually my dry and cure just doesn't come out right. I holler at the people at Spider Farm, and they say, we're gonna help you out." So we got two clip fans here, 6-inch, and our 2-in-1 ventilation system to track humidity and temperature and all of that. So let's get this thing unboxed and hang it in our tent. All right, let's get it out the pack. Here it is, Spider Farmer 2-in-1 ventilation fan. So I'm gonna get this set up with our other clip fan. All right, Growmies, we have our GGS system here. First, when you first get it, you have to take this back off here. When it was like that, you gotta just unlock it, take it out, because the vent here has a plastic cover on it, so you want to take that off when you unbox. So I'm gonna take this off. Now I'm gonna sit this back. Boom. Now you're ready to get this thing set up. Hey, Growmies, now we have our 2-in-1 Spider Farmer ventilation fan. Regulates temperature and humidity. We're trying to get this thing dried right. So now to set this thing up in here, we got our clip fan here. Now everything is automated. So here's our adapter here to connect all of our different connections. So we got our 2-in-1 fan connected. We have our clip fan here. Now, here's our conditions here. So we had 76.5 degrees, 57.7% humidity. So I've had the tent open. We're gonna check back and see how close we get to that 60-60. But right now, the humidity, let me turn this thing back on. The humidity is looking good. Also, Growmies, we wanna check on our VPD, vapor pressure deficit. So that regulates, what VPD is how hard air pulls water through the plant for nutrient uptake and transpiration. So we're targeting 60-60. Our temperature is still dropping. We was at 78 before, but really with the VPD, you want it in between 1 and 1.4. We're at 1.33. So once we get that temperature dropping lower, we'll be able to get that VPD down a little bit. But right now it's good at a 1.3. The moisture will leave the bud real evenly. So that will lead to an even dry and cure. So yeah, I'm regulating this all from the app. So let me show you that now. Now we're in the app here. This is where you can control everything. Temperature, humidity, monitor it on your couch. Look at that. So we look at our VPD. How we monitored over the last few minutes. We were checking it. You can check your temperature. Look at that spike there. We was working in our tent. This is pretty good, man. All right, humidity spikes. You can check all of that. Soil temperature, if you got that set up. Also, you can look at how our van and how our 2-in-1 fan is keeping up. So it's looking good. You have different modes, environmental mode. We can set you can prioritize temperature or humidity or both. You can do a manual mode. You can cycle through. So this gives you a lot of flexibility in the app. Yeah, we're setting our blower now. So, hey, Growmies, if you want the Growmy discount, enter in promo code Uncle Ben. Growing with Uncle Ben.